Today is a good day for Pendo James. The 15-year-old is walking without her crutches.
When I walk using a prosthesis, I can do anything. Where we live, there are many hills, so with the crutches, I can fall, get bruises, and many problems.
Pendo got the prosthesis for free as part of a pilot program at the CCBRT hospital in Dar es Salaam. The hospital partnered with Nia Technologies, a Canadian startup. The company installed the technology and trained local technicians to use the software.
We scan, like we're taking video on a patient, and when you have the picture in here, we move it to the computer. The computer is installed with a certain program for modification or rectification. So whenever I command to print, then the device that has been modified will be printed in the printers.
The technology's portability is a big advantage. Technicians like Ruth can travel to rural areas, scan a patient's stump, and then come back and print the leg at the hospital. When it's ready, they take it to the patient.
The other challenge is electricity, power. If you're printing and the electricity went off, you'll have to restart afresh.
Pendo doesn't care about the color. She's just happy to be able to walk and play with her friends. And she can pursue her dream of becoming a doctor.
I like physics, biology, chemistry because later in life I want to be a doctor, like Dr. Ruth here.